everyone. You might have seen a Rubik's cube, right? In this Rubik's cube, there are small cubes which make a big cube. Each cube will be having different colors. When you change one color, the whole arrangement of the cube will be changed. Now, how this Rubik's cube is related to our chemistry? Consider each cube as one atom. Now, if you change one atom, the whole structure will be changed. So, this concept is known as stereochemistry. Welcome to Dr. Rajkumar's Learning App. In today's class, we will learn the stereochemical aspects of nucleophilic substitution reaction. In our previous video, we had learnt about two mechanisms, right? SN2 and SN1. Now, SN2 has a characteristic called inversion and SN1 has a characteristic of racemization. Now, to learn these two concepts, we have different principles to be learnt. The principles which we have to study is optical activity, chirality, retention. These concepts are related to our inversion and racemizations. The first principle which we are going to study is optical activity. Before learning about this optical activity, let us know something about polarized light. You all know that electromagnetic radiations will be traveling in different planes. That is, it will be traveling in X, Y and Z. Now, if this electromagnetic radiation travels in only one plane, then it is called plane polarized light. First of all, let us take one ordinary beam of light. Let us pass this through Nicol prism. Now, this ordinary beam will be traveling in multiplanar. When you pass this through a Nicol prism, it will be traveling in only one direction. Now, pass this light which is traveling in Y direction through a substance. After passing through the substance, if the direction of the light is rotated, then that substance is known as optically active. Now, if the light comes out after passing through the substance without getting rotated, then it is known as optically inactive substance. Now, our optically active substance are of two types. The first one is called the dextrorotatory. If the light is rotated towards the right through a certain degree, then it's called dextrorotatory. We will give a positive sign for this. The other type is Laevo-rotatory. If the light is turned towards the left hand side through a certain degree, then it's called Laevo-rotatory. We will give a sign of negative.